Hey, I'm Jatan here to teach you basics of drawing. We'll start with the very basic shapes and lines that you actually need to know. That's the basic and fundamental drawing. So, yeah, once your fundamentals are strong, you can drastically improve. So, I would recommend you to practice all the exercises as uh, good as possible. So, we'll start. Today we'll start with straight lines. That's one very basic, very important topic. Straight lines is a first fundamental. So you can't draw anything without lines. So we start straight lines, and I'm giving you 5 exercises. This is exercise 1. So exercise number 1 is horizontal lines. Horizontal lines, yeah. Basically, what you're doing is you're trying to draw your lines as perfect as possible. It all depends on the way you put pressure on your hand and the angle you hold a pen or pencil. It's very basic. Like you can put it's just that you need to apply continuous pressure. And yeah, you start with a reference point, and from the reference point you're just gonna draw. It's like you're gonna drag it as long as possible, and no broken strokes here. It's just that you're dragging from one point to other. So you're from one point, it's one drag. So after it's an exercise where you can actually improve uh, your lines, making it more straighter, neater. And uh, with this you can keep the first line that you've drawn as the reference. That first line is the reference, and draw the second line. So here um, here you're somewhere learning parallel lines too. So with that, again you continue the process. Keep that as a second line as a reference, draw the third line. It's just you drag, there's nothing else, just drag it. So you need to, it be at regular, yeah, make sure that it's regular intervals, keep it as equal as possible. Then with this, once you're confident, this interval should actually decrease. So that is, your line should get closer and closer as you improve. So once you're confident, do it as closer as possible. Still, all the rules are the same. You're going to maintain the same interval, but the interval is going to decrease once you improve. So actually, getting from there to there is it's very time taking. So it's just that you practice, and just start off with any random paper and pencil. Just start. So once you start, it's just the time you take to practice. So once you're done, there's exercise 2. Exercise 2 is vertical lines. Now vertical lines, see the vertical, you have the same process again. You keep a reference point, something like this, and then you just drag down. It's just you drag down, the same thing but on the opposite next direction. So again the same process gonna go. You're gonna put the reference, you're gonna take that reference, do the second line, third line. Now there are some people who actually do it other way around. They turn the paper, do a horizontal line again. Though you get a little straight and a good line, but that's not the way you do it. I make sure that everyone know both of them. It's very important to know both of them. So it's all vertical lines, and it's two different things, horizontal and vertical. So the same process will continue. Get your lines as close as possible once you improve. So there's no limit of practicing this. It's all that n number of times you do it. The more you do, the better you are. Nothing, it's just n number of times.